Converting fractions to decimals. Mastering short division. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our series on converting fractions to decimals. Today, we'll delve into an essential and interesting technique known as short division. It's a simple and fast method to transform fractions into decimals. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we jump into short division, it's important to remind ourselves what fractions and decimals are. A fraction is a way of expressing a part of a whole, and a decimal is another way to express fractions. They are just two different ways of representing the same thing. Now, on to our main topic, short division. Short division, also known as bus stop division, is a simplified form of long division. It is used when the divisor is a small number, usually less than 10, and the dividend has 2 or more digits. This method is less complicated and takes less time than traditional long division. Here's the step-by-step method to perform short division. 1. Write down the fraction. If you want to convert the fraction 2/3 to a decimal, you write down 2 divided by 3. 2. Place the divisor outside and the dividend inside the division symbol. It should look like this. 3, 2. 3. Perform the division. Since 3 cannot go into 2, write down 0 and a decimal point, 0.0. Carry the 2 over, making it 20. 4. Continue the division. Now divide 20 by 3, which equals 6 with a remainder of 2. Write down the 6 after the decimal point, making 0, 6. 5. Repeat the process. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until you reach a point where there is no remainder, or you've reached a suitable number of decimal places. To master short division, let's go through some examples. Converting 3/4 to a decimal. Using short division, we get 0, 75. Converting 7/8 to a decimal. Again, with short division, we get 0, 875. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try as many examples as you can. And there we have it. Short division, an easy and fast method to convert fractions into decimals. I hope this video has clarified the process for you. As with any new concept, practice is key to master it. So, grab some fractions and start converting. Until next time, happy learning!